Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then tap on See All 57 apps. And here, I highly recommend to go through all of those apps, especially those which you are frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage, and they are occupying memory. So let's open the app, for example, Files, and go to Storage and Cache. And unfortunately, we do not have cache here. I would like to find something with cache saved. Storage and Cache, and here we've got it. Great. So here we've got the option Clear Cache. Let's simply tap on it and your device will immediately remove cache. I do not recommend tapping on Clear Storage unless you wish to make the app brand new. So as I said, just go through all of those apps and remove cache in order to release some memory and obviously speed up your device thanks to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.